Welcome to Best Choice. The best rock polishing compound is probably one of the most essential tools for any rock enthusiast looking to bring out the natural beauty and shine of their geological treasures, transforming rough stones into dazzling, display-worthy specimens with a mirror-like finish that truly captures the light and highlights intricate details. This compound acts as the final, crucial step in the lapidary process, meticulously smoothing and refining the surface of rocks after initial grinding and sanding, ensuring that every facet and inclusion is presented in its most brilliant form, making it indispensable for hobbyists and professionals alike who strive for perfection in their polished stones. Number 5. National Geographic Rock Tumbler Grit and Media Refill Kit. Get ready for stunningly polished rocks. This kit provides high-quality grit designed to polish up to 10 pounds of stones, ensuring beautiful results every time. Make your rock tumbling more effective and enjoyable. The included media quiets noise, reduces breakage, and ensures the grit works efficiently, even with smaller batches. Experience an unparalleled shine with our patented gem foam. Simply add it after the final grit cycle for a remarkable finish on your tumbled stones. These supplies are designed to work with any rock tumbler. Together, the grit, pellets, and gem foam will significantly improve your tumbling performance and yield impressive results. From Blue Marble, an award-winning company, this kit fosters education and creativity. Enjoy a stellar experience with our dedicated US support team. What we like. This kit offers a comprehensive 4-stage polishing process, including unique gem foam for an exceptional shine. If you are looking for a complete solution to achieve dazzling results with your rock tumbling projects, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for beginners and experienced hobbyists alike who want a hassle-free, high-quality finish. What people say. Packed with premium grit and polish, it's like giving your rocks a spa day. Whether I'm polishing up some quartz or tumbling some jasper, this kit ensures that my gemstones shine bright like a diamond. Its easy-to-follow instructions make it a breeze to use, and the results speak for themselves. My stones come out looking so polished, they could rival any jewel in the crown jewels. This is the best grit that I've used so far. It comes in 4 little grate containers for each step with a little tiny scoop that's perfect for measuring out. Number 4. TechDiamondTools 50,000 Grit Diamond Polishing Compound. Discover rapid, ultra-smooth, and precise polishing with our industrial-grade, oil-based compound. It's packed with a 25% concentration of diamond powder for a scientific mirror finish on various materials. Developed with a cutting-edge scientific formulation, our high-performance diamond paste delivers fast, precise cutting and efficient material removal. Its industrial-grade composition is safe for high-permeability surfaces, ensuring a flawless mirror finish. Engineered for stropping, honing, buffing, grinding, and precision polishing, this high-strength diamond paste utilizes a proprietary industrial formula. It works seamlessly with various tools for a professional-grade finish. Our industrial, scientific-grade formula is ideal for a wide range of applications, including watch crystal repair and knife sharpening. It removes scratches and imperfections, restoring clarity and brilliance. This proprietary compound works flawlessly on a vast array of materials, from glass and gemstones to metals and plastics. Its scientifically proven performance makes it a top choice for professionals and DIYers alike. With an industrial-grade oil-based consistency, our proprietary diamond paste is simple to apply to any buffing surface. Its scientifically engineered formulation ensures smooth, controlled application and longer-lasting polishing sessions. Perfect for jewelers, watchmakers, machinists, and metalworkers, our proprietary, industrial solution delivers high-gloss, professional finishes with scientific precision. It's the ultimate choice for achieving exceptional results. What we like. This is an industrial-grade diamond polishing compound for ultrafine finishes. If you need a scientific mirror finish on hard materials like metal, glass, or gemstones, and demand precision and speed, this compound is for you. It's ideal for professionals and serious DIYers working on jewelry, watch parts, or intricate metalwork. What people say. The 3000 Grit Diamond Polishing Compound exceeded expectations on marble, metal, and resin pendants, yielding consistently excellent results. The paste has a nice consistency that's easy to spread evenly, and it doesn't dry out or gum up. This paste does wonder to my straight-edge razor after the 10,000 grit stone, getting it close to being as new. Number 3. Chemical Guise C4 Clear Cut Correction Compound. Introducing the Chemical Guise C4 Clear Cut Correction Compound, your ultimate solution for paint perfection. This professional-grade formula is designed to tackle the toughest paint imperfections. Say goodbye to scratches, swirls, oxidation, and holograms with this powerful compound. It effortlessly restores clarity and smoothness to your vehicle's finish, making it look brand new. Experience the power of our fast-cutting formula. Its advanced abrasives quickly remove defects while leaving a clear, smooth surface, reducing your polishing time. Revive dull paint and enhance depth, reflection, and shine. This polishing compound brings out a showroom-ready finish on any vehicle color. Whether you use a dual-action, rotary, or long-throw polisher, this compound works seamlessly. It's safe for various finishes and designed for both professionals and enthusiasts. Achieve flawless results with this trusted paint correction compound. It delivers efficient, consistent, and high-quality outcomes, saving you time and effort. What we like. This compound is designed for serious paint correction on vehicles. If you're dealing with deep scratches, swirls, or oxidation on your car, truck, or RV, this product will quickly restore a smooth, glossy finish. It's perfect for auto detailers and enthusiasts who want professional-level results with efficient application. What people say. This compound is very effective for achieving a high-gloss finish on rocks. It works well on various types of stones, leaving them smooth and polished. The compound is easy to apply and buffs out nicely, revealing the natural beauty of the rocks. Number 2. SETINSTONE Natural Stone Wax Polish. Introducing SETINSTONE Natural Stone Wax Polish, your ultimate solution for sealing and waterproofing. Keep your projects looking their best for longer. Crafted with a blend of carnauba and beeswax, this polish offers a natural way to enhance and protect your work. It's perfect for various materials. Whether you're working with concrete, gypsum crafts, or eco-resin casting kits, this wax polish provides a durable, waterproof seal. It's also great for acrylic resin castings. Enjoy a pleasant, fresh lemon scent as you work. This 4-ounce container provides ample product for all your sealing and finishing needs. Achieve a beautiful, protected finish on all your stone and craft projects. This polish is designed to bring out the natural beauty while providing essential protection. Application is simple and effective, ensuring a smooth, even coat every time. Protect your valuable creations with ease. What we like. This natural wax polish is perfect for sealing and protecting various porous materials. If you work with concrete, gypsum crafts, or eco-resin castings and want to add a protective, waterproof layer with a pleasant lemon scent, this is the product for you. It's great for crafters and DIYers looking to enhance the durability and appearance of their creations. What people say. Their color and details really came out when this was applied and buffed in. The next day, the paint still looks vibrant and the rock has a nice deep color. It has been outside in the rain and hot sun and dirt for about 3 weeks now and it still looks perfect. Number 1. Rock Tumbler Grit, Final Polish. Achieve a brilliant shine with our high-quality Rock Tumbler Grit. This final polish is designed to bring out the best in your pre-polished stones. This is step 4, the final polishing stage. It's perfect for adding that last touch of gloss to your already polished rocks. You'll receive 2 pounds of our premium aluminum oxide grit. It's formulated for exceptional polishing results. The grit comes conveniently packaged in a wide-mouth container for easy pouring and use. It makes the tumbling process even simpler. Our grit is compatible with any brand of rock tumbler. You can use it with your existing equipment without any issues. We are confident in the quality of our product. Purchase with peace of mind, as we proudly offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee. What we like. This is a high-quality final polish grit for achieving a smooth finish on pre-polished stones. If you've completed the earlier stages of tumbling and need a fine grit to bring out the best shine on your rocks, this 2-pound bag is an excellent choice. It's suitable for use with any rock tumbler brand, making it a versatile option for rock hounding enthusiasts. What people say. This 2 pounds of pre-polish 500 silicon carbide grit has been an essential part of my rock tumbling process. It works perfectly with my rock tumbler, and I've noticed a significant improvement in the smoothness and shine of my stones after using it. The grit is fine and consistent, and it helps achieve a great pre-polish stage, smoothing out rough edges and preparing the stones for the final polishing step. The 500 grit size is ideal for the pre-polish phase, and I've found it works well with all types of stones. The Tumbler media is durable and lasts through multiple batches, providing excellent value for the price. This stage 1 worked much better than what I had bought in the past. This produced much better results with less overall tumbling time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.